What's going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by. Today is a beautiful day. Excuse me, it's a beautiful day. And I'm looking at a lake. Oh, my view is amazing. And palm trees and spectacular view. Anyway, I bought a pair of Nautica sneakers. All white sneakers. They look so crisp. They're so fresh, brand new. And I love all white sneakers. The thing about it is, I'm going to be very conscious about scuffing them and scraping them. That's the thing. I love all white sneakers. Don't you drop a comment? Let me know. Do you like all white? I also love all black sneakers. And it's been a while. I don't really remember, but it's been quite a while since I've had completely all white sneakers, precisely for that reason. But I got these. They look absolutely amazing. Here's the box. I bought them from Marshall's. Boom! Oh my goodness. And I've had them for weeks. I've had these for weeks. And now I'm just eager to wear these. So it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna rock these today. So let me put them on and show you what they look like. All right? Stay tuned. Yeah, I don't know. They seem a little loose. I don't know. This is my size. Maybe it's because, well, they're not really fully tied up. But, boom. Yeah, I think they look good. I mean, I don't know why. These are my size, but they just seem, they're not too loose, don't get me wrong. So I don't know. I don't know if it's just this pair. I don't know. Just be mindful of that if you're thinking about buying a pair of these nautical all white sneakers. Now I look for the model. I think it's the Stafford, it says. Stafford, but I tried to research this online. I couldn't find anything really. Couldn't find these sneakers. But anyway, I bought these at Marshall's for, what did I say? $29.99. All right, let me tighten these things up. All right, I'm back. I just tied these. And yes, I have to tell you, they feel a little loose. They really do feel a little loose.